Hello students, today we are going to learn the principle of management, and in this session we will take the principle of scientific management. These principles are given us by F. W. Taylor, who is also known as father of scientific management. Earlier we have studied about Henry Fayol, who is known as father of general management. So, Taylor's contribution to the management is mainly science. And as you all know that science is totally based on cause and effect relationship, which we have studied in class 12th first unit. So, there are four principles which have been given by F. W. Taylor, and these are science, not rule of thumb. Means he want to implement science into the organization instead of rule of thumb. So science, we already know that science is totally based on cause and effect relationship, which can be replicated by repeated experimentations. And the second term, that is rule of thumb. Rule of thumb is also known as trial and error approach. If any worker is not proficient in his work, then he can not be assigned any task. Or we can say this principle focuses on again specialization, which is similar to the principle given by Henry Fayol, that is division of work. That is also focusing on specialization. And this one is also because they want to implement science into the organization, means every work will be assigned to individual on the basis of their qualification, and thumb rule should be avoided. It should be avoided, means there are no guesswork, no trial and error approach. Those who are expert in any area will only be assigned that particular work. Next principle is harmony, not discord. Harmony, not discord focuses on mental revolution. So, what is discord? Discord means the thinking of workers and management towards each other negatively. So, we want to convert it into a positive thinking by mental revolution. And what is mental revolution? It is change in the attitude of both worker as well as the management. That management should not exploit their workers, and workers should give their 100% wholehearted work to achieve the organizational goals. So it is similar to cooperation and coordination, and actually it is a psychological change in the temperament of both the worker and management. Next point is cooperation, not individualism. Here in all 3 points you have seen that these 3 points, like science, not rule of thumb, science will be applied, rule of thumb will not be applied, it will be eliminated. Harmony, not discord. Discord will not be allowed in organization. Workers should think positively about the management and vice versa. The management also think about the workers positively. In the third point, cooperation will be implemented and individualism will be discarded. Means everyone has to work in cooperation and any individualism will not be accepted because it is a teamwork. And we can say that these 2 points are correlated, second and third point. Cooperation, not individualism, is an extension of harmony, not discord. Because here we are applying the mental revolution for better cooperation, and it is directly named as cooperation, not individualism. Now, last point is development of each and every person to his or her greatest efficiency. In this point, we want to provide better training to all the employees to know their capabilities. If there are some weaknesses of employee, we can improve them and train them to give their 100%. So each and every person qualities will be improved after training. In the third point, we also want to remove the competition. The feeling of competition among the workers will be removed and the feeling of cooperation will be generated. So that's all for the today's class. Thank you.